Welcome to Vogue Dental Studios on the Gold Coast. My name is Dr. Tom Shao, Principal Dentist. So as part of our 3D workflow here at the dental clinic, we turn design concepts, which is a 3D idea on the computer, into physical objects. Either it could be models of patients' teeth, it can be temporary veneers or crowns. We have sleep devices that our patients wear at night. The process of making a 3D printed model, firstly we take a 3D scan of the patient's mouth using our intraoral scanner. We do very basic design or manipulation of the 3D file, and we can plug it straight into the Asiga printing software called Asiga Composer. That then communicates to the Asiga printers and starts the manufacturing process. So Asiga Ultra is one of the fastest printers on the market in terms of speed. So we can print something like this in as little as 20 minutes. So one of the biggest advancements in printing resin in the dental space is the strength of temporary teeth or teeth resin. So what happens now is the resin manufacturers are infusing the resin with ceramic particles. So the finished product can be extremely strong, almost behaves like ceramic to a degree. The downside of that is the resin becomes hugely viscous or very thick. The Asiga Ultra is the first printer, to my knowledge, on the market to utilize an infrared heater. What that will do is heats the resin in the holding tank or the vat, reduces the viscosity, which enables a predictable printing result. So the Asiga Ultra printer, utilizing the infrared heaters, can get the resin up to 70 degrees. So it's a pretty basic, straightforward procedure. We're not trying to add too many hand finishing details. Essentially, it's a quick wash in alcohol. We cure it in the curing box. We then just add a layer of glaze, and that's how we deliver it in the patient's mouth. Since we started 3D printing in the clinic, it's really changed the way we do dentistry. It's not only delivering exceptional, efficient outcomes for our patients, it's even just fun for us and our staff.